Welcome to my channel, Clark the Realtor. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Davon Clark, your local Metro Atlanta real estate expert. Today we will be touring the Pittsburgh neighborhood of Atlanta, Georgia. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and put your notifications on to be alerted when new videos get uploaded to the channel. And if you're a current subscriber, welcome back to the channel. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining us.
I guess that ignorance is bliss.
Looking to move into a container home? Well, welcome to Atlanta, Georgia, and into this luxurious 3-story container home. Perfect for young professionals who love to get outdoors and be a part of Atlanta's thriving nightlife, shopping local retailers, enjoying sporting events and concerts at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, Pittsburgh Yard, and more. Or ideal for taking morning and afternoon walks at the nearby Beltline Trail. Enjoy the elegance of this modern-style home with quartz countertops, natural hardwood floors, a gourmet kitchen, open floor concept, and stainless steel appliances. Grow in this transitioning neighborhood and be a part of everything Atlanta has to offer inside this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath masterpiece contemporary modern-style container home located in the heart of Atlanta. At 2,400 square feet on a slab foundation, no basement, this neighborhood services schools elementary-wise Charles L. Gideons, middle school-wise Sullivan Hills, and high school-wise G.W. Carver. It has a car pad driveway in the front of the house. The laundry room is on the second level. This home is currently priced at $625,000. This home also qualifies for down payment assistance with their preferred lender. You are minutes, literally minutes away from downtown Atlanta. If you would like more information in regards to this home, just reach out to me. My email is below. Happy viewing. I hope to hear from you soon, and welcome to Atlanta. Let's continue the tour.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Baby, you give
we are coming to the end of this house tour. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My email is below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.